4:15 AM in the morning, 3:45 को मैं उठ गई थी. Thank God I went to sleep and told myself 12 बजे कि just go to sleep, no seeing the phone, nothing. तो अच्छा खासा 3 hour 45 minutes का नींद मुझे मिल गया है और निखिल को मिला 2.5 hours का नींद. So we are at least थोड़ा active in mind right now. मतलब मुझे fresh feel हो रहा है. I'm glad I slept and पूरा Airbnb is as it was when we got it. And we are all set. हमारा जो पिकअप है एयरपोर्ट से should be down in 15 minutes. तो बहुत सारा सामान है इसलिए we're gonna take it down and head down now. Okay, bye everyone. We see you next time. सो स्वीट. मैं बोलूँ ना उसको मुझे बैग ड्रैग करने तो भी मुझे नहीं देगा, खुद से ही ड्रैग करेगा हमेशा. डाउन ऑन टाइम, यही लोकेशन दिया है पर डाउन ऑन टाइम. एंड अभी 12 minutes बाकी है फॉर द पिकअप. आई होप दैट ही कम्स ऑन टाइम एंड ही कम्स, वरना हम लोग को ऊबर बुलानी पड़ेगी. बट कीपिंग माई फिंगर्स क्रॉस द पिकअप कम्स ऑन टाइम और हम जाते हैं और उसको लोकेशन भी मिल जाए आसानी से, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ड्राइवर्स को बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है ये बिल्डिंग का लोकेशन ढूंढने में. सो जस्ट होपिंग हम लोग यहाँ पे आगे साइड पे बैठे थे एंड एट द बैक साइड ऑलरेडी वेटिंग. And that too before time. This is the same car as the last time that we came in and Nikhil ने मुझे बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज़ दिया which I was not even expecting. मतलब मुझे थोड़ा डाउट था कि ये गाड़ी क्यों आई लेने के लिए, बिकॉज ऐसा होता नहीं है कभी भी. ऑलवेज फ्लाई MS पर ऐसा होता नहीं है, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम when we took the first class we came in this car and we also came like this time. So thank you Nikhil for surprising me. Nikhil surprised me with a business class ticket to Toronto. By the way, we are going to Toronto. I didn't say it, but that's the next destination and I'm super excited because मेरे पहले से मैंने guess किया था either Nikhil's taking me to US or he's taking me to Canada. So
the whole aim was to go to US, but अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा quarantine लेना पड़ता. And अगर हम लोग टोरंटो जाएंगे तो we can enter US in some days.
In some days. So yeah, I'm so excited and I'm like so happy and so surprised कि निखिल ने मुझे इतना बड़ा सरप्राइज दिया है, because this is going to be my first time even traveling business class on Emirates. निखिल तो travel करते रहता है, but this is my first time. सॉरी कि मैं इतना एक्साइटमेंट नहीं दिखा पा रही हूँ, बट दैट्स बिकॉज स्टिल इन द स्लीपी जोन. बट आज हमारा चेक इन बहुत ही ज़्यादा फटाफट हो गया. इट टुक लाइक लेस देन 15 minutes एंड आई एम ग्लैड. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स आवर डिपार्चर गेट. टाइम तो है बट निखिल सेड वी हैव एक्सेस टू लाउंज अगेन टुडे, सो हम वहाँ पे जाके बैठ सकते हैं. तो रात से कुछ भी नहीं खाया. सो इट्स जस्ट 5 AM in the morning and we are done with everything. Now we can go and sit in the lounge 2.5 hours before the boarding starts.
Your boarding pass. Enjoy your stay in the Baby, you set my soul on fire. Every morning and every evening, and maybe we can't get any higher.
कल लास्ट 9 बजे खाया था मैंने and now I'm super duper hungry because until 5 hours we get food on the flight. ब्रेकफास्ट ही मिलेगा वापस, लेकिन need to eat right now.
But if you like to take a ride, we can discover what we're hiding. Taking your time and I sure don't mind. But every inch of my body's getting wild.
So we have another 40 minutes to board the flight. फिलहाल it's just 6:50 on the clock. हमने कैसे तो करके यहाँ पे 1.5 hour निकाल लिया. We ate breakfast. I was just praying and attending mass. निखिल अपने फ़ोन पे टाइम पास कर रहा है and I think cannot wait to board the flight. नींद बहुत ज़्यादा चढ़ गई है मुझे अभी, but I'm still controlling myself. I think flight पे जैसे ही टेक ऑफ होता है, they'll serve us breakfast फिर से of course. तो breakfast खाने के बाद I'm just going to go to sleep. I feel so happy to say that I will be able to sleep comfortably on a flight. मतलब कि economy में you have to always sleep like this. Not that I'm complaining. I can still very comfortably sleep or in an economy seat. लेकिन in this pregnancy time, there can be nothing better than Nikhil's surprise of taking me by business class on this long flight. ये हमारा पहला.
मुझे लगा ऐसा impact नहीं करेगा, वो इसके पहले first आ गया था.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
There is an impact
because every experience is amazing. I am just so excited to go to business class because मैं निखिल के videos देखे हैं business class के and I know how comfortable it is and there's no better feeling than getting a flat bed on the flight जो इतना लंबा हो. This is our first longest flight by the way which we're doing together or which I've taken in my life. 14 hours non-stop. Thank God it's non-stop because it's going to be so much easy and better. एक बार take off, एक बार landing.
टाइम 12 साढ़े 12 रहेगा. 14 hours बोलते हैं वो लोग.
जो भी like 14 hours का total timing है. Even if it's 12 hours, oh wonderful.
The way that you move is like a love machine.
Boarding this flight finally after so much of wait. So happy.
Come be my king and I'll be your queen. I'm running so hot, I need to cool me down. I'm flying so high, I don't see the ground.
Seat is so very comfortable. It's my first time flying business class. Lekin the seat is super comfortable in this one too. I think the only thing missing is a very big screen and the door. Otherwise, it is as good and as comfy as the first class is.
Yeah. I'm running so hot, I need to cool me down. I'm flying so high, I don't see the ground. Baby, you set my soul on fire.
पुश बैक हो चुका है. I was so sleepy, I just passed out. अब जाके उठी हूँ. It's 8:40. Our flight is quite delayed for 40 minutes, but I think we'll reach on time anyways.
And every evening, and maybe we can't get any higher. But if you like to take a ride, we can discover what we're hiding. Baby, you set my soul.
The takeoff was really smooth. It's been 15-20 minutes that the flight has taken off and मैं तो full out थी. बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है मुझे. I'm literally super duper sleepy. So I got comfy first, bed sheet, pillow and lots of leg space and headphones. तो पहले headphones भी निकाल लिए हैं मैंने, but I think पहले मैं खाऊंगी फिर सो जाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं उठ के मूवी देखूंगी. For now I'm just going to enjoy this very comfortable seat on this long flight which I think is full पैसा वसूल by the way because ऐसे फ्लाइट पे एक्चुअली बिजनेस क्लास या फर्स्ट क्लास का पूरा मज़ा आता है. And the seat is so comfortable. It's like sitting on a sofa in your house.
Every morning and every evening.
1.5 hours हो चुका है and I have eaten my breakfast. अभी I think it's time to go to sleep. तो अभी मैं अच्छे से 6-7 घंटे सोऊंगी और फिर ही उठूंगी. तब तक will be more than halfway through the flight.
Maybe we can't get any higher. But if you like
After 2.5 hours of sleep, we are having garam pani conversation in the flight. You look like a bird who woke up. Area of the Emirates business class and I mean this is amazing. मुझे पता नहीं था ऐसा था कभी. I mean I've seen it in Nikhil's video many times but this is so comfy, especially in pregnancy. It gives me a lot of air and space to move around, so I'm feeling really good. And 3.5 hours sleep के बाद I feel amazing. Of course थोड़े टाइम के बाद मैं फिर से सो जाऊँगी because 8 hours है, but I'm enjoying this so much and I think I'm gonna sit here and just look out. You know I have कैसे बोलो, I have experienced sitting and dining in the ocean and in the bus and everywhere in the train, and this is my first time like experience like a dining experience in the flight in the air on 40,000 feet and it feels extremely
This is looking like
good.
a private jet in this.
Yeah, I mean this is like a private jet feel. ये section में पूरा private jet जैसा ही लग रहा है and it's so nice. You can just sit down and eat here while you look at the view outside, which is only clouds right now, but this is amazing. And यहाँ के crew जो है, they are so sweet. They were like, can I set up the table for you? Can I make you a pretty drink so that your photo comes out nicely? But I was like, it's okay because we only show what we actually really do.
we can discover what we're hiding.
So अभी भी हम halfway through the journey and less than half is remaining. पता ही नहीं चला कि कब 7 hours 20 minutes निकल गए इस फ्लाइट पे. It was super smooth and really nice, so comfortable. And अभी I'm waiting for food because I'm very hungry all of a sudden. So they are going to show वो लोग lunch serve करेंगे थोड़े टाइम में. So I'm just eagerly waiting. लेकिन बस आराम कर रहा है. मूवी देख
Quiet place.
सही है.
बस.
पेट पूजा भी हो गया निखिल का. But these seats are so comfy now.
This is the best.
The best.
It cocoons you because it hugs you like this and you go to sleep.
Yeah. True. Rest. So I'm done eating my lunch and there's 5 hours remaining until we land and मुझे फिर से नींद आ रही है. So मैं सोचूँ I'll just use the washroom and just go to sleep, and when we're about to land, that's when I'll wake up. About 2 hours 25 minutes we are going to land in Toronto, and एक चीज़ तो है, it's safe to say अभी कि ये मेरे लाइफ का सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable flight था. It was so comfortable, it really felt कि मैं काउच पे बैठ के टोरंटो पहुँच रही हूँ. So it was very very comfy, super well rested and feels really good. But because it's a very long flight, literally मेरे होंठ और नाक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई हो गए. So they gave us this really nice pouch to use on the flight. इसके अंदर लिप बाम ढूंढ रही थी ताकि लगा सकूँ. सारे होंठ फट चुके हैं मेरे. I'm gonna go to sleep again if you do that.
Baby, you set my soul on fire every morning and every evening. Ooh. And maybe we can't get any higher, but if you like to take a ride, we can discover what we're hiding. Making you
Landed in Toronto and it took exactly 13 hours. And oh my god, the flight was just amazing. So business class के सारे बैग यहाँ पे है, इकोनॉमी के वहाँ पे. हम कब से वहाँ पे खड़े थे until I told Nikhil, give me the boarding pass, let me ask them. And they were like, your bags are here. The third bag is there. And we are out of the airport and I cannot be as happy as I am. हम लोग को एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा रुकाया गया था इमिग्रेशन से, बट देन बहुत ही जल्दी within 3 minutes they asked us few questions and we were out of the airport. And Dubai में it was very hot and here it's chilly and so cool, and I'm feeling so happy to have come to Canada after so long.
Blowing a smile, that's one of a kind, and I can't get you off my mind.
तो कल होटल पहुंचने के बाद even though we rested so well on the flight, नहीं पता क्या हुआ, I took a hot water shower and I lied down on this bed and I was out. मतलब कि हम बाहर जाने वाले थे and everything, but सारा प्लान कैंसिल हो गया. निखिल वेंट आउट फॉर अ ड्राइव बट आई वॉज जस्ट सिटिंग हियर एंड स्लीपिंग, एंड देन मैं उठ के खाई, फिर वापस से सो गए और आज सुबह 7 बजे उठी हूँ. बट वॉट एवर गाइज, येस्टरडे वॉज द फैंटास्टिक डे एंड द मोस्ट कम्फर्टेबल ट्रैवल आई एवर हैड इन माई लाइफ. आई होप कि आपको ये व्लॉग देख के अच्छा लगा हो, मज़ा आया हो और समझ में आया हाउ इट फील्स टू बी इन अ business class for the first time ever. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one, which is also the start to the Toronto series, which I am so excited for.
I'm